Okay, so I'm back with one more example of the angle addition postulate. What I want you to do is copy this into your notebook and make an attempt at the problem and see if you can come up with an answer. And then I'll come back with an explanation here in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. We got another situation where we have a big angle EFG being cut by a line, and it creates these two smaller angles, angle EFH and HFG. So if we're going to use the angle addition, we can say that angle EFG is equal to angle EFH plus angle HFG. That's the angle addition postulate for this problem. Now, angle EFG, they don't explicitly tell us what angle EFG is, but there's a clue in the problem that tells us what it equals. Remember this little box? If you see that on an angle, that means it's a right angle, which equals 90 degrees. So sometimes the angles aren't explicitly given to you, but if you see the box, you know that that's going to be a right angle. So EFG is equal to 90 degrees. And then we have EFH, which they tell us in the problem is 2x plus 2. And then HFG is equal to x plus 1. All right? And now all we got to do is combine like terms. So 90 will be equal to 2x plus x is 3x. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then continuing to solve, we get a minus 3 from both sides. That leaves us with 87 equal to 3x. And then I'll divide both sides by 3. And we'll get x is equal to, 3 will go into 8 twice. And 27 will give us 29. So x is equal to 29. Now, continuing on though, they didn't ask us to find x, they asked us to find angle EFH and HFG. So over here we can say that angle EFH, that was equal to 2x plus 2. So we can, instead of x, now we're going to put 29, which we found down here. 229 plus 2. So angle EFH, 2 times 29 is 58 plus 2 equals 60. Now I know when I go to plug it into this value that I better get 30 degrees or I did something wrong, but we'll go ahead and plug it in. Angle HFG is equal to x plus 1. In this case, that's 29 plus 1. So angle HFG is equal to 30. And again, we know we're correct because when we add them together, 30 plus 90, or 30 plus 60 is 90. If you have any questions, bring them to class.